Yes. Yes. Today we will discuss Python related some more points. In the previous session, guys, why Python is demand in the industry and who should learn this Python, who can learn this Python related 2 points I discussed, guys. Some more points we will continue related to Python demanding and the same time advantages of the Python or else the futures of the Python we will discuss. Once completing that, then history of the Python, and after that versions of the Python, installation of the Python. After installation, how to adding the Python path setup, and then using Python language. First Python programming, how we are doing, how we are executing. So these things we will discuss, guys, one after another. Clear? So today I will show you guys where you can get the material in portal, all the things. So in the chat box, I'm going to share links, guys. So the people who are clicking on this link and only those people able to access the materials. So please click on that link, guys, everyone. And everyday class recordings doing, guys. So recorded videos, if you want for your backup, then you need to be paid the 499 rupees for server maintenance purpose. We are charging that amount. So 1 year accessibility you are getting, guys, videos related. So videos backup if you want 499 you need to give, and notes all the free, guys. Okay. So live classes are free, notes are free. In the portal I will upload, but if you want to get the notes, so you need to be click on that link. A WhatsApp group link is there. Click on that link, and the people who are there in that group, so those people only able to get the material. And
We are
later in
able
the
to
chat box, if you are sending message also, not possible to share myself every time. Yes. And for more information, if anyone having queries for getting the material related all things, you can contact the office people, guys. So in Ashok IT website, office numbers there, just contact that numbers. Okay. And end of the session today, I will show you, how you are interacting this Ashok IT website and where you are getting portal material, all the things I will show you. Yes, yes. Now we'll start our session, guys. So in previous session, guys, who should learn Python? Okay, who is learn? Who should learn Python related? I explained, guys. So who can learn Python means anybody can learn Python. There is no age limit and no required to particular background students only, guys, learning this Python, like no rule is there. Anybody can learn. Degree students, BTech students, MTech students, MCA, anybody can learn, even though you're not completing the CSC or IT backgrounds. So no problem. You need to be have the interest. You want to be becoming like a software engineer. That confident you need to be set as your goal, guys, and you can learn. So guys, please keep
sorry for the
your
disturbance, sir.
hello everyone.
Sir,
Please
voice is
keep,
very low, sir. Sorry.
guys, please keep mute your speakers, everyone.
అందులో సరే అయితే
Krishna, I'm telling, man, so many people are enabling their mics. Why you people are enabling, man? So multiple people they are getting voice disturbance.
Sir, restrict the mic, sir, until your class completes, right? So restrict the mic so that this problem won't come. So after your
Yes, yes,
class
yes.
completes,
But
you
that is
can
not it.
unmute the mic.
Just wait, guys, you people. I will come back within 2 minutes. Wait.
Recording stopped.
Recording in progress.
Yes, guys. Now we'll start session. So in previous session, guys, so who should learn Python related and why Python uh, why Python has more demand why Python has more demand in industry, guys, in IT industry. Okay. So these 2 points we discussed, guys, why Python has more demand in IT industry. So for this second point related, lot of reasons we discussed, guys. So Python is a common language, guys. Python is a common language or is a general purpose language nowadays for learning a number of courses. For example, more popular courses there, AI, artificial intelligence, machine learning related, deep learning related, robotics related, web development related, like several popular courses there, guys. For these all courses, this Python language is common, guys. Python language is common. Not only here, guys, for DevOps engineers, this Python is common. For AWS engineers, for Azure engineers, guys. So these all people nowadays learning this Python language only. So these all the cyber security, artificial intelligence, machine learning related, web development related. These all every day, guys. Their popularity increasing, guys. These all courses popularity increases, okay, in every day, guys. So along with those things, this Python popularity also increasing. So that's why you can learn this Python and you can add in your resume this Python, guys. Some more companies people are looking for you. More company people are looking for you, guys. So especially if you are a fresher, guys, in your resume, if you are adding a Python skill. So whenever the companies are coming to your institute, okay, your colleges, guys, then immediately people focusing on you. And if you are telling some minimum basics, then they will hire you, guys, immediately. Okay. And real time people also, guys, n number of surveys there. I will let you know, guys, some surveys today. So those surveys, guys, giving some result. So already the people who are working in the real time industry, IT industry, so those people after completing 7 years, 8 years experience, so when they are planning to move to the other company for getting okay better role and a better payment, all the things. So those all people are giving priority to the Python only. So people moving to the cloud platform related, guys, after getting some experience. So those all cloud storage related technologies. So using the Python only. That's why this Python is every day to day increasing, guys. Okay, for this some points we discussed, guys, already. So today I will upload these all points related material in the portal, guys, and the people who registered in the portal, so those people will access this all material. Those people will access this all material, guys. Okay, so remember that. So slowly you will get a lot of points, guys, here. Slowly you will get it. So next, what are the futures of the Python, guys? What are the futures? Simply Python futures. What are the futures of the Python, guys? Futures of Python language. Futures of Python language or else advantages of the Python language. Both are same, no problem. So here, futures nothing but the services which are providing by this specific language is called futures of that language, guys. So Python language providing what are the services, what are the benefits to the learners or developers. So we will discuss those all things, then you will understanding some point. Okay. So here a lot of points there, guys. So one by one, we will discuss. And previously, guys, about this one, some surveys giving result, like I said, guys. Okay. Just wait. Yes, guys. Yes. Now here in internet, guys. So some websites there, guys. For example, I'm using here TIOB index, guys. TIOB index. So this is one site, guys. It is providing the ratings to the languages, guys. So March 24, this year only, March month only, releasing ratings. So this site providing the ratings based on the every year average percentage, guys. Averagely, how many people are learning this how many percentage was learning this particular language, and how many people are getting jobs, and what are the average packages for learning each language, guys. Java related average packages what there, Python related average packages what there. Okay, and so many popular search engines there, guys. Google, Amazon, Wikipedia, Bing, like so many popular search engines there. So using these all search engines, about which language people are searching, and material related or videos related. So these all things, guys, a lot of things they're uh, I mean calculating, and then finally releasing the ratings to every language, guys. So here Python only topest rating is there, guys. So right now, see, guys, Python 15.63 is there. After 1 month, you can check it. Definitely, it is going to be increasing. Okay, so every day, guys, day to day, this is increasing, guys. So this ratings. So out of all languages here, 20 languages related ratings providing. So first one is Python language is there. 15 above rating only Python is there, and next C language is there, guys. C language. So the people who are there pressures, so in their resume, C language, Python language, if you are adding, so more calls you are getting, and easily companies also conducting interviews to you guys, and hiring easily immediately. So after learning C or after learning Python, guys, or if you are learning both C and Python, so number of job vacancies are there for you. So number of companies are competing, guys, and they are offering more packages to you, and easily will select, guys. Okay. So Java rating, guys, 8.95 there, guys. Java rating 8.95 there. Okay. So this is uh, minus rating is there, guys. The change growth minus is there, minus 4 point there, and Python change growth is a positive is there, guys. Positive is there. Okay. So here graphs also there, guys. So olden days, guys, in year the 2000, 2002, 1 that year. So this Java has more rating, guys. Java has more rating. So more than 25 rating is there. So now Java here is there, guys. Java little bit slowly falling down, guys. Okay. So still having market, but not much market there. Some good market only there. But previous 20 years back, what is their Java related market? That is not there here. So 20 years back, Python, so here only there, guys. Python graph here only there. So slowly, slowly like increasing. So now it is going to top, guys. It's like this going. Okay. In these recent years, this is going more popular. So this is the Python growth, guys. This is Python growth. So especially in the year 2015 onward, this Python market started, guys, in every country, especially in our India started more and more like, okay. So check it this one. And not only this one, guys, some other websites also, there are multiple websites there, they're providing the ratings. So popularity of programming language. One more site is there, guys. Popularity of the programming language. Popularity of the programming language, Google index providing, guys. So here also, guys, Python related share market share ratings providing, guys, here. So Python related, see here, the 28% is there. 28% is there. Java related 15% is there. Java related 50%, 15% there, guys. So next here the C the related, this one is there. Okay. So here these people are focusing on different regions, guys. These ratings providing by different regions. Okay. And TIOB index providing on different regions. So when you are reading this all content here, so then you will understanding, guys. Okay. So this Python, now check it here. So this is the Java, guys, red mark. So Java 20 years back, guys, here there started. And now here Python C, guys, here dominating, like top side is there. Java is going down, guys. So this is the index of the particular languages related. A lot of languages related information given. So no doubt at all, guys. Python having more demanding nowadays. Python having more demanding nowadays. Yes. So now some points, advantages related we will discuss. So in previous session, I said, guys, Python, Python is a free and open source, guys.
Hello,
Free
sir.
and yes.
I'm not getting your voice, sir. Please check it once again.
In the chat box, give reply. Are you getting my voice clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Voice is
yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So Python is a free and open source language. So it means, guys, no need to pay any amount to the any company. Freely we can download and we can install it, guys. So and it is a open source, means when we are downloading, so Python related source code also we are getting. So we can see that source code and we can understanding how they created logics, all the things for increasing our skills related, guys. Okay. So this is one of the free and open source language. And from where we are downloading, these all things at the time of downloading, I will show you. So Python software, guys, Python software is maintained by Python software organization, guys. Python software foundation is there. So this is maintaining. I will show you this one here. So simply you can type the python.org. This is official website, guys, Python related websites. So the people who wants to download it now only. So here the downloads there, and here only latest version is there, guys. So you can download it, this one. Click on downloads, and here download link is there. So if your system is Windows related, or else any Linux or Mac OS, other OSs, you can choose particular one and you can download it. And latest version is Python 3.12.2 is there. So whenever I'm trying to be installing, that time I will take care what are the versions there, what are following in industry, all things I will take care of it. Okay. So this is one company, guys, Python Software Foundation. This is the company name, Python Software Foundation, PSF. This is now maintaining this Python, guys. This is now maintaining this Python. Okay. So remember later how downloading, how we are getting all things, I will take care. Next, guys, Python is a free. Python is a uh, Python is a easy language, guys. Python is a easy language, or else easy to learn. Python is easy to learn, guys. Is easy to learn. And Python is a simple syntax, guys. Python is easy to learn and having simple syntax, guys. Having simple syntax. So directly I'm telling, how can you say Python is easy to learn compared to the other languages? And how we can say Python follows the simple syntax. For that, in the last program, one small explanation I given, guys, here only there. See, guys. So if you are choosing the Java language, guys, if you want to print a hello message, then you need to write these all lines of code. So here every word having its own meaning. So class is a keyword, guys. In Java, so many keywords there. So what is keyword and what is the purpose of the class keyword? You need to be understanding. And this is the identifier name. Java having some identifier rules in this place, guys. So for example, if I'm using one sample, like this is not allowed. If I'm using a sample one, this is allowed. So which one not allowed, which one allowed, is all things by learning the identifier rules can understanding. And later the curly brace also having meaning, guys. Curly brace also having meaning. So in between the curly braces, group of statements we can write. So in this place, public, private, protect, like multiple keywords we can use. These all also keywords we are calling like access modifiers. So when we are using public, when we are using private, like these all terminologies, we need to be understanding, as a lot of terminologies there. So after learning all these terminologies, then we are able to print this hello message. So this is all making a lot of burden on the developers or burden on the learners, guys, for learning these all concepts related. But if we are choosing Python, guys, then in Python we have one print function. By using the print function, we can print what we want. By using the print function, we can print what we want. That's it. Single line. So what is the use of print function? If you are learning, that's an single definition. Print function is used to print something what we want. Okay, single line, guys. So that's why we can say, guys, Python is simple and easy to learn. So here, one major project if you want to do, guys, so using Java 1000 lines of code, guys, using Java 1000 lines of code, if required, then same project using Python if you are started, guys, same project using Python if we are starting development, so less than 500 lines, less than 500 lines code, we can do it. So obviously here guys, a lot of lines code we are saving. So less lines of code, if we are writing easily, we can understanding. Okay, readability is increasing, complexity is decreasing. Within the less time, we are developing these less lines of code. Okay, then obviously performance of the application increasing. So like several benefits there guys. And moreover, reducing lot of burden on the developers if choosing Python. But if choosing Java, guys, burden on the developers there, and the more lines code we are writing means the more complexity is coming, readability decreasing, complexity is increasing, and more lines of code taking more time for developing. So obviously duration of the project increasing. So like several problems there using the Java related compared to the Python. Okay, so this is one reason. Remember, guys. And the next, guys, simple syntax. Python is easy to learn and providing simple syntax. I said, see here, just one method only. I use direct line only. I created printing. Okay, here lot of syntaxes there, guys. So this is one syntax rule. Curly semicolon is required, and again curly brace inside the curly brace. So if you want. In the same line only multiple statements we can create, or vertically you can create multiple statements. So a lot of rules there guys here, a lot of rules there, but in the Python we don't have much more rules, okay. For that one example I will tell you guys, just wait, one more point I will write here and I will let you know. Just wait. Python is a dynamic programming language guys. Python is a dynamic programming language. How can you say Python is a dynamic programming language? Some people getting doubt. Okay. So Python follows the dynamic memory allocation, guys. Python follows the dynamic memory allocation. The languages which are following the dynamic memory allocation, then those languages we are calling the dynamic programming languages. So now here you can check it guys. One point I will let you know about that. So in Java guys, here in Java, compare with Java guys, or any other language. So in Java, if we want to be create one data into a variable, for example, one employee information I want to store, or else one number I want to be stored guys. See here. So in Java guys, data type followed by the variable name. This is the syntax. Equal to variable value and semicolon. This is the Java syntax guys. Data type followed by the variable name equal to variable value semicolon. Here semicolon also important. And next here for this example guys, for this example, so int a equal to 10 semicolon like we are writing. So this is a integer guys, data type and variable name and variable value, and this equal to symbol semicolon symbol we are following. Understanding? So in Java guys, what are the data types there? First we need to learn what are the data types there. First we need to learn, then we are able to creating this data guys. Storing this 10 value into a memory allocation and assigning to this a reference guys. So when this line executing, one memory is creating, in this memory 10 value storing, and this is referencing to this a variable. By using this a, we are able to accessing this value. Okay, so we have variable concept separately. There I will explain guys more clearly. Just accept now my input. So using the variables, we are storing the values in the memory allocation guys. Because of this, something memory is creating, that memory is referencing to a, and using this a, from this memory we can access the value. So what is variable, purpose of the variable, different ways of the variables, separately we will discuss. Okay, so now here, before assigning this value to variable, what type of value is required into this a? That is by using the data type we are representing as. Okay, now in this statement guys, I'm using okay int only, int b equal to 20.50, like I'm using as 20.50. So this 20.50 is nothing but a float. This is a float type guys. In Java guys, into, long, float, double, like several data types there guys. Okay, so Right now here, float type value, I'm trying to be assigned to the B variable, but B is required what? Integer type value. So expecting integer, but assigning float value, then this line throws error, not executing as error throws. So these all things as a developer, we are only required to handle. We are only focusing on these all things. Okay. So, and in Python, guys, you can compare in Python. In Python language, guys, in Python language, so our syntax is a variable name equal to variable value only, and no semicolon, no data type, guys. Just variable name equal to variable value only we are writing. So now here just a equal to 10 I'm writing, guys. Next B equal to 20.50 I'm writing. Okay, check it here. So here the 10 is what? Integer type. Integer type memory is creating, and this reference is assigning to this A, guys, referencing to A. Okay, this memory is referencing to A, here 10 value storing. Next, float, guys, for float some more memory is required. So based on the value, guys, compared to the int, float required more memory. So then this memory is creating big memory, and then this is referencing to the B. So based on the value, what type of value we are using here, based on the value, memory is creating automatically and then assigning to the particular reference, guys. Referencing to particular variable, referencing to particular variable. So this is called dynamic memory allocation. Based on the value, memory is automatically creating by Python only, not a developer, guys, not learner. Okay. So who is writing the coding? That developer not maintaining the memory management. Python only itself managing the memory management based on the value. That is called dynamic memory allocation. And Python follows this dynamic memory allocation. That's why we are calling Python is a dynamic programming language. All of you clear? But Python, guys, here, before assigning the value to a variable, statically, we are representing what type of value is required to this. So that's why this is called static memory allocation. So that's why we can say Java is a static memory, static programming language. Java is a static programming language, guys. Correct? And one more reason is there, guys. One more reason is there here why Python is having demanding, why learners or developers nowadays choosing this Python. So one more reason you can check it here. So here, guys, one more one. Int a equal to 10 I'm storing as. So next one more data type is there. Long a equal to 10 only. And after that float a equal to 10 only. And next, guys, double a equal to 10 only. Okay. Now check it in Java, guys. For storing this 10 value integer type I'm using. Okay, this is NR. One memory is creating in this memory 10 value storing, and that is referencing to the a variable. So this size is enough, guys, for storing integer value. But unfortunately, instead of int, I'm using long a equal to 10 I'm using. So then this statement also right only, but memory is creating more, guys, for long compared to the int. Some high memory is reserved, guys. So now here 10 value storing, and this is now referencing to the given variable. Okay. So I'm not using this one also. I'm using float. Instead of int, I'm using float. Then float taking more memory, guys. Float taking more memory. And now here 10 value storing, and this is the referencing to the a variable. And the next double, guys. So float also not using, double using. So then this is the taking more memory, guys. This is taking more memory. So then for storing the integer value, guys, 10, if we are using double, then lot of memory is reserved for storing this value. So even though this memory is enough, but we are using this all entire memory reserving for this variable only. So now this entire memory is wasting, guys. As a developer, we are only responsible to managing these all memory allocations. To managing the memory allocations as a developer, this is our responsibility. So instead of int, if I'm using double, then lot of memory is wasting. Understanding? So these all are making lot of confusing, guys, to so many developers or so many learners, getting lot of confusing while creating memories in the memory allocation, guys. So in Java, guys, developer only required to be handling the memory management. But in Python only itself take caring. Python only itself take caring as based on the value, how much memory is required. That is understanding by Python itself and creating the memory. So that's why a lot of burden reducing on the developers or learners. That's why so many students nowadays they are choosing this Python language for learning more easily, guys. So I said previously, the people who are having less coding skills also more easily people can learn this Python language. This is one of the reason, guys. Everyone is clear about this point. And
Yes,
these all
sir.
points I given guys in the material. Okay, each topic and topic related explanation I given in the material. So today I will upload in the portal after the session is over. So the people who registered, who are joined in that group, so those people will access that one. Okay, I will show you end of the session how you can access that. I will show you guys. Yes, next. So one more point. Lot of regions there, guys, here. So next. Python is a portable language, guys. Python is a portable language, or also called as a cross-platform language. Cross-platform. It means so using Python language, if we are developing one application without doing any coding changes in that application, we can execute the same application in the Windows OS, in Linux OS, in Mac OS. In all the places we can use same application without doing any coding changes. So this is called portable behavior. In olden days, guys, for Windows related, a separate team of people working and developing application and doing some changes, and a separate people working for Windows Linux related, and a separate team working for Mac OS related, like multiple applications they are designing us. But nowadays using the Python, so because of the portable behavior, same application it can be executing in any platform. Okay, this is called the portable. And also, guys, using Python, if we are designing one application, that application can interact with another application which is designed by other languages. For example, one bank, HDFC Bank, designed by Python, ICICI Bank, designed by Java. So this HDFC and ICICI Bank both are interacting when we are transferring the money. So for this purpose, some mediators required, guys. So those mediators we are calling REST services, simply REST services. We are developing the services, REST APIs. So using those APIs from application to application, we are interacting. So here we are using a mediator as a mediator. We are using JSON or XML, guys. So all people, guys, Python learners, Java learners, .NET learners, everybody must be having knowledge related to JSON or XML, guys. So nowadays, JSON only using more and more, very less people using XML. Olden days, people using XML, but nowadays using JSON. Why not using XML? Why using JSON? Question asking. Okay, the people who are learning the REST APIs related, those people will focus on that area. So for Python learning related, there's APIs designing, these all things not required. So don't worry about this one. And so I said, guys, previously, I'm teaching more batches Python full stack development. Means Python with web development related, using Django framework and its additional frameworks. Django framework, Django REST framework, like several modules there, guys. So that time in my web development related, I will take care about the APIs, how designing for our project. So using this API, I'm designing APIs for my project. For example, this is a Django base. So for this project, if I'm designing these APIs, so just API, okay? So multiple types of APIs there, guys. So which one is the better one for developing the APIs? So that concept we can learn it in our Django generally. So using these APIs, guys, Java people interacting to my application, .NET people interacting to my application, other people, guys, if any other applications there, so everybody can interact with my application via the API only. That's why for every application in the real time, guys, the people are developing the APIs also. If API is not developing, for example, here data browser is there. Only from the browser, people can interact with your application using URLs. So for every project, we are developing the URLs and the APIs. So URLs for from the browser interaction related and APIs for from the other applications interacting purpose. So simply every application is like one software. Software to software interaction purpose API is required. And browsers who is using human being persons guys users. So users interacting with softwares related URLs we are using via the browser. So these all things in the full stack development you will get it guys. Yes. So now using the Python guys, APIs also more easily we can design it. Okay. So that's why we can say like a Python is a portable language. Okay. Next, another one. Python supporting or else Python providing automatic guys, automatic garbage collector or automatic garbage collector or else automatic garbage collection. Python providing automatic garbage collector. Garbage means wasting guys. So when we are creating the programs, a lot of memories we are creating, all unusable memories, unreferenced memories automatically collecting by Python and deleting by Python guys. So here I'm creating a equal to 10. So in Python guys, just we are creating data like this only guys. Some variable name equal to some value. Remember, later the variable chapter is there more clearly I will explain it. So a equal to 10 I'm creating as. So using a print, we can print the a value generally. I said previously by using print whatever we want we can print it. In this a what is there? 10 is there guys. See in this line, so like this one memory is creating, in this memory 10 value storing, and this is referencing to the a variable. So whenever I'm printing as print a, so print function guys using this a reference interacting to this memory, in this memory what value is there, accessing that and printing that as a output guys, as a output return out 10 value. Okay, no problem. Okay, so now here a equal to 20, a equal to 30. If I'm printing a, then what we are getting? Yes. See guys, I'm telling some points here. So these points only in Python only there, not there in other languages like I'm not telling. In Python also we have this one. Okay, and also Python having some other benefits. So that's why this is we are using, this is getting demanding like I'm telling. Okay, so this automatic garbage related in other languages also there. Remember that. Now here, if I'm using like this, first one memory is creating. In this memory, what is storing? 10 storing, and this is the referencing to the a variable. Okay, next, when coming to the second line execution, guys, one more memory is creating, 20 storing, and this is now referencing to a. It means, guys, this is unreferencing. This is unreferencing this variable now using to this new memory. When coming to here, then 30 value creating the memory, and this is also referencing to what? A variable only. It means this one is unreferencing and one is assigning to the new one. Okay, so now using print a, what value we are getting means this latest value only guys. Top to bottom trying to be executing what is there in the latest bottom side guys, that is only will access as output. So now this memory we are accessing by using this a reference guys. This 10 related memory, this 20 related memory, unreferenced. Unreferenced means so variable names not there for referencing this memory. So without a reference variable, we are unable to interact in this memory. Okay, we are unable to access these values. So these all are unreferenced memories, guys. Unusable memories. Simply in Python, guys, we have memory allocation concept. Somewhere I will explain that. So there, these the two memories we are unable to use it, guys. So this one and this one. Only this is usable, guys. So this is only usable memory. Okay, so these all unusable memories automatically collecting by Python and deleting from the memory allocation. If deleting, then a lot of memory is saving, guys. If deleting, a lot of memory is saving. Okay, so this is also one of the benefit using the Python. And if we want to delete manually, we can also delete by using some keywords. Okay, so how we are deleting that you will understand. Guys, please keep mute your speaker. Ramya, keep mute your speaker. Don't unmute, guys. So this is the minimum responsibility. Don't unmute. Yes, guys. So here,
Excuse me,
I
can I
thought,
ask something?
yes, end of this session, I will interact with you guys. You can raise the queries.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Next, some more points, lot of points like this there, guys. So right now 4 points I given. And next, using Python, guys, using Python we can interact to the any database, guys. You can interact to any database for your application. So database connections required for storing our application related information, for handling all application related activities, guys. Real time any application if we are considering as database interactions there. Okay, so for that, using Python, we can use any database. So MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB, PostgreSQL. So like all databases supports there, guys. All databases support is also there, guys. Supporting all databases supporting using Python, guys. So simply Python supports all databases. For your application development, what database you want, you can use that one. Understanding? So all databases supporting it there, MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite 3, okay, like so many there. In our sessions, in our coming sessions, Python with databases, how we are interacting, and after interacting, how we are performing the operations, create, update, delete, reading, create databases, deleting databases, tables creating. So a lot of queries, guys, I will explain. For interview purpose, those all are very helpful to you guys. The people who don't know about the queries, SQL queries. Okay, some people already knows about the SQL queries, then those people, so don't worry about these queries. Okay, yes. Next, so whenever we are installing the Python, guys, whenever we are downloading and installing the Python software, along with the Python software, guys, along with the Python software, so many built-in modules coming, guys. So many modules or packages are coming. By using those modules or packages, we can get 70 to 80% of the code, guys, ready-made code. 70 to 80% of the code we are getting along with the Python software. Okay, so Python is providing so many predefined simply so many modules and packages. What is modules, what is packages? We have a chapter, guys, there more clearly I will explain it. Okay, so simply remember right now every module is nothing but one Python file which contains a lot of Python coding, guys. Ready-made coding is there. Okay, Python is providing so many modules and packages. So using these modules and packages, we are getting the 70 to 80% of the code. Whenever we are developing our requirement related logics, these all existing modules or packages we can use and we can develop more easily, guys. For example, one small thing I will show you guys. Just to see, guys, please keep mute your speaker. Yes. Wait. So you can see, guys, after downloading and installing the Python software, you are going to get one tool along with the software for practice purpose, that is called IDLE, Integrated Development Language Environment, guys. Integrated Development Language Environment, like one tool we are getting along with the software only coming. So we can use this one for practice purpose later in real time. What are the IDEs we are using? These all things I will take care, guys. So just I'm going to be importing one module called math. This is along with the Python software is coming. Using this mathematical operations we can performing, guys. Scientific operations we can performing using this math module. Now this math module is providing one factorial function, guys. So this function returns a given number related factorial value. 5 factorial value is what? 120. I hope everybody knows about the factorial logics. In mathematics only we are getting in our child days, guys. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Okay. So 5 fours 20, 23 60, 62 120 into 1, 120. So given number factorial, we are getting 120. So if I'm using as so here the 6, then 720 like we are getting. So here I'm not writing any logics, guys. Just I'm importing predefined one, existing one. In this n number of functions, the ready-made functions, one function I'm using and I'm finding the factorial value. Okay, so in our coming days, practically also I will show you guys factorial related logics how we are writing. So that time like multiple lines of code we are writing as line 1, line 2, line 3, like number of lines code we are writing logically. Then by executing these all lines, we are able to print this factorial value. So for learning purpose, we are doing this all coding practically, but in the real time, whenever we require, there we can use the ready-made functions, available functions. Okay, and I have some proof of values, guys. Those all values, sum I want to be find. I have a global function called sum function. So here group of values in between the square bracket I'm writing as, for example, these all values sum I want. Then sum 100, guys. These all values if we are counting, then sum 100 coming, guys. So just ready-made functions we are using. So when we are attending interviews, guys, giving like this group of values, how to find the sum of them asking. That time if you are trying to use this one without use this one asking. So here a lot of values there. For loops concept we are writing. Each value we are getting outside and we are storing into one variable, guys. First one value storing, next value getting and adding to this, next value getting and adding to this. Like every value we are adding to here, and finally this is we are printing. So that is a total sum, guys. So for this, some lines of logics we are writing explicitly, manually we are writing. Interview person focusing on you are able to write the logics or not. You are thinking according to the requirement or not, like your thinking capability, your coding skills capability, they are going to be checking, guys. So after joining into the companies, we are going to use ready-made things only, guys. Available functions we are using. But for getting job purpose, for joining into the company's purpose, guys, so we need to be write the self logics, explicit code. We need to be practice, guys. Understanding? So n number of programs. Slowly after completing some topics, we will discuss, guys. So no need to install, guys, this ideally separately. So when we are installing the Python, then automatically it will install it. After Python software installation completing, in the start menu, guys, ideally you can search, you will get it ideally. After downloading Python software, totally 3 things we are getting. One is ideally tool, one is the Python console tool, and another one is the documentation module. I will take care of these all things. Wait little time, guys. Wait little time. See, that is all I'm telling. Right now, I'm not discussing about the installation, guys. Again, people sending messages how to installing Python. So right now, I'm focusing on the features of the Python, advantages of the Python, guys. So once completing this, then I will start discuss about the installation. Yes, guys. Okay, see, guys, here Python is providing the so many modules and packages, I said. So one module, just math module I used, guys, here. So using this factorial value I'm finding. Later separately we are going to discussing about the math module. There n number of functions I will explain to you guys about this module. Okay, so like n number of modules we have, guys, each module having its own purpose, and as per the requirement, when we are developing our logic, so we are going to use these modules and we will get these solutions as per our requirements. Okay, so this is also one of the advantages. So many modules are getting, and these all modules are having 70 to 80% of the code. This 70 to 80% of the code is pre-compiled and pre-checked also, guys. Hence, is there any syntax error there or not, coding problem there or not, like everything already checked and they given with security wise, guys. So sometimes the security also very important, guys. In every application, security is important. So in Python, so many security related modules also providing us. For example, one is a CSRF is there. CSRF means the cross-site request forgery. Cross-site request forgery, real time, very, very important this one. So whenever we are sending the request via the browser through the internet, in middle some hackers hacking our requests and they are doing some illegal activities. So to overcoming that problem, guys, in every request, CSRF token key also we are sending. So that CSRF token key is nothing but like some big random alphanumeric string, guys. Some big random alphanumeric string. Every time when we are sending the request, this is the changing, guys. So this is the accessing and trying to be hacking is more difficult to the hackers, guys. So that's why this Python is also having demanding. Okay, so I will let you know these things later. So next, I said here so many modules and packages are coming. These all modules and packages contains the 70 to 80% of the code. This 70 to 80% of the code is the free compiled and free secured. That's why easy to maintain, we can say, guys, easy to maintain. As a developer, we are focusing on remaining 20 to 30% of the code only development related, and we are compiling that code and we are providing security to that code, guys. Okay, so because of this, all 70 to 80% of the code, easy to maintain this Python coding, guys, easy to maintain. Okay, so and Python is a functional oriented programming language, guys. Python is a functional oriented so functional oriented programming language, guys. Python is a functional oriented programming language. So it means using the functions concept, we are able to write the logics. So I have one function, guys. My function name is add function. This function, how to creating later, I will let you know, guys. So in this function, n number of statements I'm writing for adding the numbers. First number I want to take, second number I want to take, and first number, second number I want to do addition, and final result I want to return, guys. So right now for that, lot of lines code we are writing. So one time we are writing these all lines of code in a function, and n number of places we can use add function. So here also again add function, here also again add function. Wherever you want, whenever you want, you can use it. Just function name only. Every time when we are using function name, this all lines of code is going to be executing. So it means creating one time using n number of times. That is called reusability. Function's main agenda is reusability logics, guys. Creating one time with a group of statements or group of logics and use n number of times for reusing purpose. So Python is supporting this functional oriented technique. Generally, C language is supporting functions oriented concept, guys. So C language related functions behavior in Python also we can use. And next, guys, in Java, guys, object oriented principles we are following, guys. In Java, object oriented programming principles we are following and developing the logics. So in Python also we can do this object oriented programming principles. We can use this and we can develop the logics. So here also reusability purpose we are writing the logics, guys. So here class based syntaxes we are writing, guys. For example, one class employee, like we are writing. So in this, a lot of logics we are writing, guys. So these logics, guys, we can use in another class. So this is one class. So these all logics we can reuse in another class. And here, what are the logics there, guys? These all we can reuse in another class. It means this class 1 properties, class 2 properties, all we can use in this class 3, for example. Like this reusability is there, guys. Here one more class is there. So this class only required employee class related properties. Then only this class inheriting. Like a lot of reusability is there, guys. Creating one time with some logics. Those logics in a number of places we can reuse. So Java follows this object oriented technique, not functional oriented technique. But in Python, we can use a functional oriented technique and object oriented technique. Both we can use this. So we have a separate chapter for this, again separate chapter for this. So multiple days we are discussing these topics, guys. Then you will understand clear information about these things. Okay, and next, guys, Python is also a modular oriented programming language, guys, or else a scripting oriented programming languages. Python is a scripting oriented programming language. So we have one language called parallel language, guys. There scripting based syntaxes we are writing. So scripting based means also called as interpreted based, guys. So when we are writing multiple lines of code, each line immediately executing. So first line checking, is this correctly there or not, the syntax wise, all the things. If it is correctly there, then immediately executing and memory is creating. And next line checking. So here if any problem is there, coding wise, guys, then here only stopping program, remaining lines not checking. So the languages which are checking is like line by line, immediately executing, then those languages we are calling interpreted based languages or scripting based languages. Okay, na? Okay, this name I will change it, guys, not scrapping, scripting related. Okay, so Java is a compiler oriented programming language, compiler based programming. So in our programming, if n number of lines there in the Java, guys, all lines at a time checking, guys. And okay, in second line problem is there, in this line problem is there. So what are the lines the problem is there? These all counting and at a time return to you. In line 2 problem there, in line 7 problem is there, like that, returning, guys. Then later we are solving them and we are again re-executing. Okay, but in Python not like that. So in which line error is there, they're only stopping, remaining lines are not executing. So debugging is more easy, guys. Guys, please keep mute your speakers, guys. Today I will take this permission, guys. So today, please excuse me. Today I will take this permission to mute all the people. Inform to the office people already. They said yes, are muted. Still people unmuting. So wantedly, I think you people are unmuting. Sri Prasad, mute your speaker. See, guys, here hundreds of people there. Each one I'm identifying is more complex. Again, others unmuting. So this is not good. So
I
tomorrow
guess, please, sorry for disturb. I guess they are providing free of cost, so we have to utilize for those. So please keep in mood.
yes, guys, focus here. So scripting oriented means later we will discuss, guys, about this one more clearly with examples wise. I will discuss this all. We have separate chapters. For example, database related separate chapter there, here separate chapter there. So there more clearly we will discuss. Okay. So Python is inspired from multiple languages, guys. Python language is designed by taking the multiple features from the multiple languages generally. So here the C language related features taking, Java related features taking, and Perl language related features taking. Okay, these all features adding into the Python. That's why this Python having this more demanding as C language related demand, Java related demand, scripting related demand, all available in single language. So that's why many people in the industry is focusing on this Python. So whenever they want functional related, they will use function, or object oriented if they want, they will use object related. Scripting behaviors if they want, scriptings they can use it, guys. So not only this, several reasons there. So I'm giving these three main topics. Yeah, Python is developed, or else Python is inspired from multiple language related features, guys. So from multiple languages, so took a lot of popular features and merging into one language, that is a Python. That is a Python, guys. Okay, so remember that. So today I'm giving only features. Later when we are discussing the topic wise, so you will get it a lot of points, guys.
So in last line it would be scripting oriented, or you have written scrapping.
Yes, I will change this name.
So what is the difference between scripted language and programming language?
Yes, yes. We have one point, one concept. So programming languages, scripting languages. So differentiation, guys. Scripting. I will tell that one. Python is a scripting oriented programming languages. Simply, guys. So programming languages are nothing but compiler languages, guys. Java is a compiler language, compiler based language, guys, and Python is a scripting oriented based language. So compiler languages means, for example, when we are creating multiple lines of the code, guys. So all lines at a time checking top to bottom, checking as syntactically any problem is there in any line like that, top to bottom all lines checking, and in this second line problem is there, counting that line, in this line problem is there, counting that line. Okay, like in which lines the problem there, counting those all lines at a time, return to us, guys. In second line so and so problem is there, in the fifth line so and so problem is there, like all written at a time. Okay, and after that, as a developer, we are solving those all problems, and then again we are re-executing, guys. So if no errors there, guys, no exceptions there in our code, if every line is correctly there, then this code related one byte code is generating, guys. Byte code file is generating. Byte code means contains zeros ones format related, guys. Zeros ones format related there. So now after generating this byte code, guys, then we are going to be running the project, guys. In Java, you are using one compiler statement, one JVM statements running related you are using. So this bytecode understanding to machine, guys, in the RAM executing this bytecode. So then we are getting the response as per our requirement. For which purpose we are creating this code? This code is this code related response we are getting after converting into this bytecode. Okay, Java is following this concept, guys. But Python follows interpreted based compiler, guys. I mean interpreter using by Python. I will tell about that interpreter later. So Python checking, guys, Python checking by using the interpreter. So using interpreter, like each line checking. So when coming to the second line, if any problem is there here, so here only stopping, remaining lines not checking, here only stopping and return so and so line problem is there. So if you are solving this line, then so remaining line checking again here, so and so problem is there, like return, guys. So like all lines we are solving, if everything is fine, then converting into like this bytecode format, and this bytecode executing and return the response. For this all purpose in Python, only one command only we are using, guys. Only one command only we are using, interpreter command. Directly this high level code converting into byte level and then giving response, guys. So for this purpose, only one command only we are using in Python, but in Java, two commands we are using. Here one compiler command, here one JVM command running related. Two commands we are using. But in Python, only one command we are using. This is internally converting like this bytecode and then return response. So this is we are calling scripting behavior, guys. Clear?
Sir, what is Jython?
So Jython, Python, these all are other tools, guys. So Java related, Python with Java related Jython. Okay. So Python with Java related. So our Python related coding, guys, we can embed it into the other languages, guys. We can including into the other languages related, and other languages related code also we can use in our Python related. So for that purpose, we can use this all Jython related, Python related, okay, like several things there. Other tools there, those all are. And Anaconda Python is there. So we are focusing on right now Python. Once understanding the Python, then later you can focus on those things. Okay. So yes. So here, like several features there, guys. So final conclusion here, because of these all regions, guys, this Python is getting more demanding nowadays. And also as a learners, guys, as a developers, they are choosing this Python only, okay, for their next career purpose. So learners, students who are there, guys, this is the best choice for you. and who are having experience. If you want to be moved to the other company for better role and better payments related all the things, so using Python easily you can crack the interviews. So easily you can learn and usually you can crack it, guys. So in these 30 days what I'm teaching, so using this so you are getting Python related knowledge, guys. Along with this you need to be learn one some other courses, guys. So data science related or machine learning related or artificial intelligence related or web development related, like something you can choose it. So then you are ready for the real-time jobs, guys. Okay. So here the people who wants to learn the web development, those people can learn the Django framework related. Otherwise, who want to be settled as a machine learning developer, then machine learning, or else data science, or else artificial intelligence, like you can choose it. So within the less time, with the less cost, with less coding skills also can learn about this web development related, guys. So if you are having more skills and if you are interested on these areas, ML related or AI related or robotics related or data science related, so you can choose these things. That is all it will be, guys. First you can decide, so you want to be becoming like what kind of engineer. So later you can complete the rest of the course system. Got it? So right now, guys, this Python related, who can learn Python, and so why the Python having demanding in industry, and what are the features of the Python related, I explained. These all points are related. I will add into the portal, and full stack development related. Front end is what, back end is what, database is what, and who can developing the back end coding, who can developing the front end coding. These all related. Material I will upload in the portal. You can access from the portal, guys. Just wait, I will show you that portal related. In the next session, guys, directly history of the Python. I'm not going to discussing again these all points. Directly, I will start the history of the Python and the versions of the Python, downloading this Python version, installing all the things I will show you. First program also tomorrow we will develop it, guys. Okay, now one more point, guys. So in the web development related, guys, see, once learning the web development related full stack Python, so you are able to developing the applications like this, guys. In our session only, so developing these kind of applications. Okay, lot of applications designing and responsive applications design. Check it, guys. Here, whenever I'm minimizing, so all my menus are hiding and like this showing, guys. Okay, so if it is a big screen, then menus are displaying horizontally. So depending on the screen size, response changing as. So this all in my class only teaching to students for practice purpose. So logos, our institute logos, like we can decide. So when minimizing here, here also responsive pages we are getting as. And you can scrolling like this, guys. So you can see here, lot of sections there, guys, here. Whenever I'm clicking here, immediately login page, registration pages like coming. So right now my cursor is available here, guys. The top side is available. If I'm clicking here, then directly moving to the bottom side. Within the page, how we are redirecting location to location with from one page to another page, how we are redirecting. Okay, like a lot of variations I'm showing, guys, to my students. See, this is one form, guys, so validations related form. So without entering data, if anyone submitting, then immediately error showing. Please enter your email, like all things. Even though you are entering email or the name, if it is not satisfying length, all the things, so minimum 5 letters entered. Okay, one digit required, one uppercase letter required, like all the things validating properly. Okay, and here the general code operations, guys. Code means creating, updating, reading, deleting related. So for example, if I want to be update here existing data, I'm loading, can change data and you can submit. The data is updated into the database, again getting back and displaying in the tabular format. If I want to delete, are you sure you want to confirm delete this one, like asking? No, I don't want to be delete, again coming back. So users, guys, for every action here, URLs changing, guys. These URLs as a developer, we are developing by writing logics. So the people who are using our application, they are not interested to send the URL manually, guys. They are interested to use the menus, GUI menus, user interaction related. We are developing with this presentation. So in the class only multiple applications we are doing. This is what calculation project. 4 plus 8 equal to 12 into 5. So then 60 lakh calculation related logics how we are designing. Okay, and this is also tabular format. Just I'm focusing like this. So pagination also we can provide, guys, if more records there, number of pages wise we are dividing. So here responsive forms we are developing, guys. See here in the large screen here, 2 columns I created, guys. So here drop downs I created, and when screen size reducing, see form size also decreasing, guys. So when it is in mobile screen, all columns vertically displaying. But if it is in the laptop screen, guys, see these 2 columns side by side is there, the 2 input fields. So like how we are developing these responsive forms, registrations, logins, related connections, how we are giving, and the menu bars, how we are developing, each menu related, how we are developing. So later big screens we can develop it. First, if you are understanding how designing the menu bars, these all things. So here, if we want logos of our institute or our companies, we can design it as. This is also one validation. Here, each field one after another validating. Previous form is, guys, all the fields at a time validated, guys. Here, okay, this somewhere here, all fields at a time validated, and this is one after another validated. Both variations showing, guys. And I will upload material in that material, guys, like this PDF files there. So every point related some information I'm uploading. Just theoretical you can read it. If anyone asking about the this main point, is Python is a dynamic memory language or not, then you need to be explain it. Okay, these all things I will upload. So where you can get means we have Ashok IT website, guys. The people who are registering in the portal. So first, I'll give you guys one more time link. Somebody is asking. So wait.
WhatsApp group is we can't able to join. Any alternate for that?
The people who are unable to join into the WhatsApp group, please contact the office team. They will guide you, guys. So a lot of people already joined. So I don't know why you are unable to join. So please contact the office team. Okay, here the link I provided in the group, guys. So here contact information is there. So you can call here or else separately contact us there. Here also you will get some numbers. Contact the people, guys. So the people who are joining into the group, guys, those people will get portal link related information, and the people who are registered for the backup videos related, guys, will get one email also, guys, credentials. So with that credentials you can log in, and here login information is there. After login, like this dashboard is showing, guys. So then here dashboard is getting. Okay, so here all the batches related informations you are getting, guys. For example, one site I will open any one related, guys. So for example, here I'm clicking. So here every day, guys, I'm uploading, guys. Every day, what concept we are discussing about that, and that related material I'm giving. So here by clicking download, you can download it in your laptop. One folder you can create, there you can save it. Understanding? And before coming to the next session, you have to read that topic and you have to do the practice, and you will come here. So what are the programs we are doing practice? What are the concepts I'm teaching? Everything I will upload here. Programs also I will upload, guys. In middle, some assignments also I will upload, guys. Some assignments also I will upload. Okay, so people be ready for those all assignments. Then you will get a lot of confidence. And one more thing, guys, here, check it. In this site, the people who are unable to join into the portal, you can follow like this. I think it may be working. So here, training schedule is there, guys. Training schedule is there. So here right now, pre-batch related. So click on this pre-batch. So now here our Python related, okay. So, okay, already 2 sessions are over. That's why maybe deleting. So here the links coming, guys, Python related. So whenever links are coming here, so you can click on that link, directly you are going to join into the WhatsApp group. For example, this is advanced Java related. If I'm clicking that, so here like this coming, enter your details and register. Enter your details and register. Yes, understanding? So that is also one variation. Easily you can join it. So pre-training if not there. So classrooms related, online related, guys. So all links you are getting like this, batches related.
Hello,
so
sir.
here is there, guys, Python related. So in this online training related is there. So you can click on here. You can join into the WhatsApp group, guys. You can join into the WhatsApp group by entering your details. Okay.
But it is showing Zoom link.
Right. So this is enough for this day, guys. Thank you for joining this session. And
Hello, sir.
wait, I will interact with you. For more information, follow the Ashokite YouTube channels okay, and Instagram channel there, guys. There you will get a lot of interview questions related, Java related, Python related, all the language related, DevOps engineers related. So many things we uploaded there. You can follow that. I will stop this recording. I will interact with you guys. Thank you.
Recording stopped.
Yes, tell me.
Hello, sir. Sir, like, can you show what was the group name? Because I'm having Python update and in that there was no.
Right now I didn't upload it. So today I will upload it.
Group name. WhatsApp group name.
Route map, you're asking?
Group name, sir.
Group mate. So in the chat box I shared, guys. So here in the charting.
Sir, did you attach any notes
Today,
for yesterday class?
So far not attached. Today I'm going to attach it.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
So in the chat box right now I added WhatsApp group link and the payment link is there, guys. Payment is for.
So can we make a
later? Wait.
Payment today also, sir?
Yes. Up to this week you can make it. After that, closing
Okay,
this
sir.
payment related.
Thank you, sir.
Later people not sharing, guys. And this WhatsApp group related, just live classes related and class related updates, you will get it. And there I will upload the details.
Hello, sir.
Wait.
Hello, sir. Excuse me. Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Can you give the phone number for PhonePe?
You can contact the office team. They will give you a number, madam.
Okay.
This is the number, office number. Or for more numbers, go down here also you will get the numbers. Contact related there. So about us, or else directly you can contact the office team, or you can chat here. Then they will give you numbers. Okay, you can chat here WhatsApp. Yeah, tell me.
Sir, hello.
Tell me, sir.
Sir, do you have any installation video?
Yes, sir. Today in the group also, guys, in the YouTube or Instagram channel, going to be uploading installation related. Tomorrow in the class also, practically I will show you. So I created a video also installation related, how downloading, how installing. So these all things I will show you. Actually, this is planning to show you today, but tomorrow postponing, no problem. Tomorrow we will discuss. See here, this is about the installation related. Where we are downloading, so how we are installing, what steps we are following, just major points I given. So these each points in the video I explained. Follow that video for clarification, or else tomorrow I will show you. Okay, na? So after installing first program, how we are doing Python first program. So like these all things also creating us. So only just 3 to 5 minutes videos only. So by following those videos also you will understanding. Yeah, tell me, man.
How many months it takes to complete the Django frameworks in course?
45 days working sessions required, madam, only for Django. So total full stack development, 3 months duration.
Okay, sir.
Hello, sir. I have just made a payment. How can I get a portal for accessing the videos?
Yeah, after login, after making your payment, so you will get one credentials. One credentials you are getting. So those people, office people will share to you to your email. So using that credentials, you can log in here.
Okay.
Then you are able to access it. So for accessing related, if you are getting doubt, the people who are trying to get backup videos related, just contact the office team. So if this number, coming busy, guys, if sometimes busy coming, then you can chat here, then people will give you a response. You will ask the number and you can ask details.
Sir, Django is a front-end framework or a back-end framework?
What is?
Django is a front-end or a back-end framework for Python?
Yes, Django is purely back-end development related.
So you will still need React or Angular or something.
Front-end development related, you can learn React, Angular, something. front end with back end. For example, here some examples I displayed, guys, here. So here, what is we are able to see on screen, that is the front end. And when we are clicking here something, back end response coming. Okay. So that is the back end related. For example, here I'm entering data. This is one employee project. Okay. Here one employee project is there. So I'm entering all the fields data and I'm submitting. When submitting this all data, sending to backend. In backend using Django, we are reading the data and storing into database. So for front end purpose, React or Angular you can learn. And for backend purpose, Django, Python we are learning.
And can we integrate microservices architecture with Django?
So in Django, guys, we have the REST services. We are using the REST services and we are developing microservices Java related there. So nothing but every language side services there. So using our Python with Django, how we are developing services, that is we are focusing here. So previously, I took many batches for developing the REST APIs related. That time many people joined, the people who are belongs to Java. But the Java API is different, Python API is different, guys. So using Java coding, they are developing. Using Python related coding, we are developing. So both are variations there. After developing APIs, anybody can use. Java people use, other people can use our APIs for interacting with our application.
Okay.
Yes.
I'm becoming a data science engineer. So now I want to require the learn the Django.
For data science development, Django is not required. Web development related required. Or else if you are having free time in your resume, multiple skills if you want to add, then you can learn it. Okay. So if data science vacancies are there, I will go there. Or else if web development related, if vacancies there, I mean, if I'm getting any opportunities, I will go to this side. Like if you are thinking, then you can learn all, no problem. See guys, always multiple skills adding is okay. So useful only to our career. When experience are increasing, then continuously we are adding the multiple skills. So that is your ways. Yeah, anyone?
So duration of this course?
This free batch, guys, 30 working sessions planning.
Is that
Nine modules discussing. So these 9 modules within the 30 is enough, guys. Okay. So
Sir,
here
notes provided, sir.
These all topics related, notes also providing. So today we completed some points. Those points I will upload in the portal. Videos only for payment people only, guys. For server maintaining purpose, we are charging just 499 rupees only. 499 only. So that is all server maintaining purpose. 1 year accessibility you are going to get. So that's why the people who wants to the videos, then make it just 499 rupees. Then you will get daily video recording also.
Sir,
Otherwise, if you are missing one class, the topic you are not getting a backup.
sir, you have shown one document where the answers are also there, like
Yeah.
portable one. That is that will be uploaded in the website.
Is this you are asking?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. Today I will upload this one in the portal.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, for DevOps, is this enough, sir?
What is?
For DevOps, this course is enough, sir. Python.
Yeah, more than enough, guys, for scripting related DevOps engineers, and later your DevOps related you are focusing, and your DevOps faculties will guide you how to use this one. Yes, tell me. Tell me.
Sir, you have said like 45 days for full stack Python, right?
Yes.
So is that including this Python basics or?
No. The people who completed Python, then they can join to the Django directly. 45 days spending there. Okay. Python with Django totally, if you want, a 3 months duration.
Okay.
And also
So
you are going
Python
to
with Python with Django means that will be included the topics which you are explaining now, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
And not only Python, this in the full stack development, Python with Django along with the UI technologies, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, like these all things also will.
Yes. Okay.
Front end with the back end teaching. Okay, there React and Angular not including for the full stack development. React and Angular, those are all courses. So separately you need to be spend nearly 40-45 days for learning them. But if you want to learn React or Angular, first of all, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, these all things must be required. So those all things I will take care in my full stack development. Yes, anyone?
Sir, I am going to plan for Selenium with Python. Will these classes are enough to get into Selenium?
Yes, yes. For your Selenium or automation related, previously people using Java related, but nowadays so many people migrating to Python related. So this course is enough for you. After learning this and along with your Selenium integration, you can work with that.
Thank you.
And your testing related modules. See guys, any people, data science, AI related, ML related, web development related, for every course, separate modules there, separate packages there. So where you are working about that, what are the modules there? And you can learn about those modules, then you can use it. So in these 30 days, what I'm teaching means this is common for every people. And later where you are working, that related module separately there, you need to be focused on that module. For example, if I'm teaching gaming related module, maybe gaming related not required for other people, that is useless. Okay, na? So, but modules, how we are using this common topic, I will take care. What types of modules there, along with the software, what modules coming, some modules available in internet, how we can use those modules, what we are calling those modules, how we can download it. So these all things I will take care it. Later, n number of modules are there in the real time. So where you are working about that particular modules there, and you can get that module and you can learn about that module, you can do coding related to that.
Tomorrow, which topic you will going to cover?
Tomorrow installation related, first Python programming creating, how we are creating, saving, executing, and history of the
Second is
Python,
model
versions of
second.
the Python. Okay, this first one
Second
tomorrow
model.
I will complete, guys. This first one I will complete tomorrow. Module 1, totally. So right now some topics we completed and remaining things, Python installation, adding path setup, and first program creating, executing, history related, who created, when created, and what are the versions there, Python related, what versions using in real time, and what is the latest version, like these informations I will take care in the tomorrow session. Okay, so once completing this module 1, then concepts wise we are going to be discussing.
So you will take classes up to Friday or Saturday also?
Saturday also, guys. Monday to Saturday. Sunday, no class.
Sir, can we apply for jobs after completion of this course?
That is only, guys, I'm telling. This is having some concepts. Along with this, you need to learn some other things also, then you are ready for job. If you are a fresher and based on your academic skills only, you can attend the interviews. For attending interviews, so without learning Python also, you can attend interviews, guys, without learning any course. So after the attending interviews, if you are getting job and you are going to work on the coding projects, so that time if they are giving to you Java related, you are learning Java. If they are giving Python related, you are learning Python. So these all are some fundamentals. Along with this, some additional modules we are learning. For example, if you want to be work on data science related, data analytics related, so NumPy module, Pandas module, Matplotlib module, like that, those all modules you are learning. So along with these topics, those modules you are learning. In those modules, if you want to be learn, first of all, you need to learn these all things. Otherwise, you are unable to use them. So these things I'm telling here.
Sir, what is PySpark and PyCharm?
SpicePark also is a separate module, Python related.
Okay.
PyCharm is a IDE, coding related IDE. See, this is the IDE, guys. So where we can develop in the coding. This is a real-time IDE. So here we are developing the logics, guys. As for the requirement, we are developing these all logics. These all for my batch people only. Evening one employee sessions there, guys. So to them I'm teaching. So here by seeing like many lines of code, don't get confusing, don't get fear. So every statement, so procedure wise, I'm teaching guys. So in all my batches, I'm giving priority to procedure. For example, procedure means like this. Step 1, what you are doing. Step 2, what you are doing. Step 3, what you are doing. So these all things multiple times myself explaining, and later I'm asking the students only what next like that. As per that, developing the coding. The people who are having knowledge related to every concept related procedure, those people will write the coding more easily. So in many batches, I'm focusing on the procedure point only, guys. So any topic if I'm teaching there, what are the procedures there? Steps I'm giving, and by following the steps, people can write the logic. So
Sir, so
okay.
daily 1 hour class, sir.
Come again, sir.
Daily 1 hour class.
Yes, 1 hour, maximum 9:10, 9:15 will close it. Okay, na?
Thank you, sir.
So 1 hour regular session, it may be increasing 10 minutes maximum, not more than that. Later I'm tracking to the students sometime.
Sir, how to access the class notes, sir?
So right now, 2-3 times I said, guys, when see one point I'm giving, guys, to all the people, listen. So one student asking one question means that is maybe helping to other students also. So you have to be listen that one. Okay. So same question, if multiple people asking for everyone explanation, taking a lot of time. Already the same question, already 2 people asked right now, 2 or 3 people asked. Okay, you are asking about how to accessing the materials, these things. So I said one WhatsApp group link, I said, if you are joining into that group, you are able to accessing. Okay, so far not at uploaded. Today I'm going to be uploading material. Completed topics related. And backup videos related. Payment link also there, just 499 rupees. So if you are making your registration there, you will get credentials. By using that credentials, you can log in into this portal. Here one login information coming. So using that credentials, if you are login, dashboard showing to you. If clicking dashboard, like this batches related information showing us. So all the batches related information showing here. So you are belong for you only your batch only showing, guys. For you your batch only showing. This is the faculty login. That's why showing all the things. So in which batch you are joining, guys? In which batch you are joining, for example. So here. So by clicking here, topics names coming and download links coming. Just you can download it. So in your downloadable folder, you will get file. That is you can store into your machine, your laptop. Put one folder and there store it. So projects, if I'm uploading, those things coming. Concepts, if I'm uploading, those things coming. Everything. Is this clear, everyone? So I hope no one asking again the same question.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Sir, I'm having 8+ years of IT experience. So earlier I worked in mainframe technology. After that I shifted to testing. So
Okay.
currently working with Selenium testing. Means will I get the good openings with Selenium plus Python for 8+ years of experience?
Yeah, so madam, right now Selenium developers are automation testing, all testing engineers. So previously most of the people used Java related. So now all the people are slowly migrating to the Python related also. Already you have knowledge with the Python, Java with the testing related. So you can add the Python related also, then more opportunities you will get it.
Yeah, but for 8+ means will I get the calls or not, sir? That is the concern I'm having.
So 8+ years experience you are asking. So most of the times experience people only getting.
Sorry, sir.
Somebody is disturbing. So no problem, madam. You will get experience related. Recently also I saw from the Bangalore location. So above the 7 years, 7 to 11 years. So a lot of vacancies for DevOps engineers, for testing engineers related, Azure related engineers. So they asked one company. Okay, one of my friend working there, he informed to me that my students, I mean, normal offline students, all are freshers only there. That's why I didn't inform to the people. I explained also. Yeah.
Okay.
So you can keep check it through the portals. You will get it definitely opportunities.
Yeah. Thank you, sir.
So, okay, guys, tomorrow we'll plan again session. So at 10, I have my work. So I will be ready for that. I need to be complete my breakfast and all. So, okay, guys, tomorrow basic installation, first installation and first program where we are creating after installing what are coming and how we are adding Python path. At the time of installing only Python path adding by checking some checkboxes. If not adding, if we are forgetting by checking those checkboxes, then explicitly how we are adding, these all things I will take care. Otherwise, meanwhile, if you want to try, you can directly install it, no problem. So you all people are going to be becoming like a software engineer. Already some people employees only there. Because all people having knowledge how to downloading, how to installing related. So try yourself also, your side. Okay. So you definitely will get successful installation. And then we can use that one for developing. So tomorrow after completing that installation, then topic wise identifiers, variables, keywords, like a topic wise we are going to be discussing. Thank you. Thank you, guys. See you. Bye. Have a nice day.
Have a nice day, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.